Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. On Monday, we held a test in which you all did very well. Keep it up and do your studies regularly. So in last session, we studied about noun gender and today we are going to learn our new topic, pronouns. Pronoun is another type of parts of speech. Now what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. It means a pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. For example, Rahul is absent because he is ill. Now in first sentence, Rahul is absent because he is ill. So he is pronoun because he tells us about Rahul. So he is used for Rahul. This house is very old. It is falling down. Now in second sentence, it is used for house. The word it tells us about the house. So it is a pronoun. There is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun refers to some specific person, place or thing. Personal pronouns are of three types and they are first person pronouns. Now first person pronouns refers to the person speaking, who is speaking. For example, I, we. For example, I saw an elephant. Here person is speaking. So I is used. I saw. Who saw elephant? I saw an elephant. So I is a personal pronoun, first person pronoun. Second type of personal pronoun is you. Now you refers to the person spoken to whom we are speaking or we are talking. For example, do you have an extra pencil? Here you is pronoun which is used for person, for another person with whom we are speaking. Now third type of personal pronoun is third person pronoun. These pronouns refers to the person or thing, means people or things spoken about. For example, he, she, it, they. For example, Ram said he had met her. Here Ram is a noun. He is used for Ram, so he is a pronoun, and her is a third person pronoun which is used for another person. Now see this example. The salesman happily sold the robot to the man and the woman. Now here telling part is sold the robot to, and man and woman both are nouns. Now see the second sentence. The salesman happily sold the robot to them. Now here them is used for man and woman both. So them is a pronoun. That man has a mustache. Here the naming part is that and man is a noun. So in second sentence, he has a mustache. In this sentence, he is used for man. So he is a pronoun. The pronouns you and it can be used anywhere in a sentence. You is used for both singular and plural nouns. For example, Ricky said, "You are intelligent, Nikki." In this example, you is used for Nikki, and Nikki is name of a girl. Means Nikki is a singular noun. So here you is used as a singular pronoun. The coach said, "I have faith in all of you." Now in this sentence, you is pronoun which is used for plural noun. It is used for animals and inanimate things. For example, a woman walks with a dog. The dog has a bushy tail. Now in this sentence, the word dog. Dog is a name of animal, so it is a noun. So in this example, a dog is repeatedly used. Now see the second example. A woman walks with a dog. It has a bushy tail. Now in second example, we used it instead of the dog, the word dog. So it refers to a dog. So it is a third person pronoun. The woman gives the dog a basket. The dog carries the basket. In this example also, the word basket is repeated. And in second sentence, the woman gives the dog a basket. The dog carries it. We used it, third person pronoun, for basket. Basket is a thing. So we used it, the pronoun it, for basket. So I hope you all have understood. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Have a nice day.